going to experiment of lemon with baking soda. Now take a half lemon. Now add food colors. Now add liquid soap. Add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now use toothpick. Now we see the result.
I am Muktika of class 8th. Today I am going to tell you how a balloon is lifted with the help of vinegar and baking soda. So let's get started. Ingredients for that are baking soda, 1 balloon, vinegar and 1 empty bottle. So firstly pour the vinegar in the bottle. After that, fill the balloon with baking soda. Now, after filling the balloon with baking soda, I am already fixed it to the top of the bottle mouth. Now lift the balloon upwards. All the vinegar in it goes in. So, can you see the effect? Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all like it.
So let's start. She is a weak girl. She is a weak woman. He is a weak boy. He is a weak man. She is a strong guy. She is a young guy. She is a sad girl. She is a happy woman. He is a happy boy. He is a tall boy. He is a short man. He is a weak man. Bye.
First cup is in the tea box. Then ball is
Tall girl. She is a short sister.
She is a tall woman. She is a weak woman. She is a short woman. She is a strong woman. She is a young woman. She is a sad woman. She is a happy woman. She is a old woman. He is a old person. He is a happy person. He is a sad person. He is a young person. He is a strong person. He is a short person. He is a weak person. He is a tall person. He is a old person. She is.
convention. Let's do. Take 2 candles and burn it. One candle covered with a glass. You can see which candle you can burn is not burning and other candle is burned. This shows that air necessary for combustion. Thank you.
ये गोल्ड है, ये सिल्वर है एंड ये आयरन है.
Good evening to all. Today, I, Mohit Bardwaj of class 8B, is going to perform an activity to show the ignition temperature of 2 different things. I have a piece of paper and a piece of wood. Now, I will tell you what ignition temperature of each it is. First, we will burn the matchstick. You can see the ignition temperature of burning of paper is less. It burned fastly. Now, we will burn the piece of wood. You can see the piece of wood take much more time than the piece of paper. So the ignition temperature of burning of wood is high.
Hello everyone, my name is Hardik and I am showing you the activity which aim is to check the property of metals. I don't have a hammer, so I am using this as a hammer. This is a coal, this is pencil lead, this is an iron nail, and this is an aluminium hanger. I don't have an aluminium wire, so I am using this. Let's try to break this and see what happens. It has turned into pieces. Now this is pencil lead and it has turned into powders. Now this is an iron nail. It has no change. It has no change. It hasn't changed. And this is an aluminium hanger. It has flattened a bit and just little bit. So this was my activity and hope you liked my activity.
Material like solid iron, hammer, coal, pencil lead, aluminium wire and iron nail. हमें चेक करना है कि किसके ऊपर इफेक्ट होता है, जैसे कौन सी चीज़ टूटती है, कौन सी फ्लैट होती है और फिर उसमें चेंजेस आते हैं. With the help of hammer and solid iron. तो सबसे पहले हम इस पे देखते हैं. इसमें सिर्फ हमें देख के बताना है. इसमें साउंड इफेक्ट आ रहा है बस, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. अब हम कोल देखते हैं. कोल ब्रेक होता है, ब्रेक कर देते हैं. ब्रेक होता है. एल्यूमिनियम वायर,
नीचे वो प्लेट रखो.
एल्यूमिनियम वायर कर्व होती है. आयरन नेल के साथ देखते हैं क्या होता है. आयरन नेल के साथ भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. पेंसिल लेड अब हम देखेंगे कि जो सॉलिड आयरन है, जैसे कि आयरन नेल है, हम उसको सॉलिड आयरन के ऊपर भी एक बार हैमर के थ्रू पुश करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है. और नॉन सॉलिड आयरन पे भी पुश करके देखेंगे क्या होता है. सबसे पहले हम सॉलिड आयरन पे करते हैं.
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, कहीं कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे.